Hi, this is Zahra Bhojani and I am PMP certified. I took my PMP bootcamp from AUC Technologies, which was recommended to me by one of my colleagues. And I think that was the best decision that I took. The entire 3-day bootcamp was not only engaging, very much practical, but also it was very much interactive. The participants and all of us, we shared real life practical examples and we connected PMP with the real life situations. Their services extend even after the boot camp. The staff is very much helpful. They also helped us in preparing for the application process. AUC crafted a PMP roadmap, which becomes quite helpful while we prepare for the exams. They also have in-house simulation facilities where we get to test ourselves to make sure that we are prepared, fully prepared for the exams. And prior taking the dates, we take the simulation first. AUC and the staff, they make sure that every individual is well prepared for the exams. So to all the PMP aspirants who wish to take the certification, I would highly recommend you to take your bootcamp from AUC Technologies. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.